Hello, good evening. How's everyone? So, um, just thinking about the beautiful things. You can see the birds flying, pigeons and parrots, and it's a beautiful day. Winters have started in Dehradun. Um, how's everyone doing? Oh, look at those birds. Oh, how nice. Mm. So, yeah, thinking about how um, you know with all the hard work we put in, and I personally get up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day, and my day ends at somewhere around 8:30, maybe somewhere some days 9:30 or 10. So, and I wonder, after putting in such hard work, I mean, we all wonder, in fact, are we really putting all that work in the right direction? Just a thought for today. um, you can see these birds, they seem to be free, so free. I don't know. They might have their own struggles of life. Okay, take care, all of you. Bye.